Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make queso and bacon wrapped jalapenos on your Lion grill. This is perfect, you know, for a game day setting. You don't want to go inside. So step one, you want to get your cast iron skillet, put it on here, and just be careful because it's going to get hot really fast, so use a towel to grab it. You're going to put a couple tablespoons of butter in there, and then you're going to let it melt, and then you're going to add your onions and your jalapenos. So now that your butter is melted, you're going to add about a medium-sized onion and a medium-sized jalapeno to it, and you're going to saute it for a couple of minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to show you how to stuff our jalapenos. So I have Monterey Jack and cream cheese in a bowl, and make sure you take the seeds out of your jalapenos. It's not too spicy. Stuff it just like that, and then wrap it with your bacon. You want to make sure all the cheese is covered so it doesn't leak out onto the grill. And once you have that, you're going to stick it through with a little toothpick through both sides, and then you're good to go. Alright, so now it's time to put these on the grill. It's really nice to put these in the fridge beforehand so you have them all ready, so you don't have to go in and outside so you miss the game. So you're just going to put them on the grill, and should take around like 8 to 10 minutes depending on how hot it is. So it's time to add our cream cheese, our evaporated milk, and our seasoning to our queso. So once they've sauteed a little bit, you're going to add a pack of cream cheese. Put it on in. And then a can of evaporated milk. And then for our seasoning, we have salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Alright, so we were having a little problems with the cheese dripping through the grill, so we decided to move these onto a different cast iron. So now you're going to add handfuls of your shredded cheese, whisking in between, so wait until it melts. So after you put that in, you're going to whisk it and wait till it melts, and then add another one. And then it just keeps repeating until you've gone through all your cheese. Alright, so our queso is completely done. I've turned off the heat on that, so we're just letting it sit. For the jalapeno poppers, we moved them to the cast iron because, you know, it was dripping through, so it's going to take a little bit longer to cook, but the cast iron is definitely the way to go when you're making these. Alright, we finished up our jalapeno poppers, so now we're ready for game day. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next month.